Join me to drink my breakfast. Join me to drink my tea. Go on. Why? Papi, Seta. Share the video, let the video go viral. You people help me to go and call Kolesigbo, help me to go and call him. Otila, ẹ̀yin máa o. Rọ́pàrọ́pà. Ìráwó o. Àwẹ̀ lọ́gbọ̀n o. Otila ẹ̀yin máa. Ìdè ìmọ̀ni òfin máa. Àwọn jẹ́ wo mẹ́kí àwọn mẹ́ràn kòrò wá o ní máa zẹ́yìn ayé o. Ní gbogbo o, ìmẹ́ o. Wá rẹ o. Igi pẹ̀lú wà mẹ́. Ẹ̀bá yẹn kó àfihàn ká bí ẹ. Ilé gbé òwò ọ̀dọ́. Ẹ̀yin máa o. Otila, ẹ̀yin máa o. Yes. Toi vera mina toi bije mi waya lamogun. Waya to emi na gbo ama waya gbe. Nwala nu wagume ga video na no go viral no so gbo pe no so boku. O pi apa no monye doria. Ere dugu nwa we na pe ni ke ago pe ana. Ope ni ke go pe ana no ke mwenye doria. O mwenye doria wetin dole do igbo abi yan na. Ena woni do sun akpe record va o ya yo won ite pe se ne igba agbara agba ebe na agba ina eni o pe ala na kanana e cortis ugbo ohun dan ohun atosi no vevo no mo eworia all the name of our father's name so ena we are dogu egbon we na ikesu agwo egbon it de gbe to abeda me itu abije me itu sasa no bira itu sasa no biye e woni mekere iwi datuyan iwe ki ave no de evoni mekere na mi video pa no ke woni re evona ti evele ka ina agwika no ka St David College in Evilika, but ya say in a guacan. He did the guacan. Ya guacan. In your wing, no to the women in your no to, or when I move you talk, no, you know, your work on a borrow pit. On a borrow pit. In your woman, tipper no sooner no him. It been waking no to ya de tipper, a mono 1 day, no do years, who we are a government in $1 school. May make no way. Ya sa mega when a governor told me work with. So, if you do Nimo Sevilla do not go why ya to nick video. You can swank video na nika to Sasano Biramene. A Birame ya fekin was second warame, Kino Ragmon, Kinegi Vero. Negi Ragmon, Emin Waye, a woo, Uvenkiri, no Yewi Ragmon, Waya to. Kenidien kinime no diem waya to wa ni no be diem ro waya lamogun ni medien waya bowie waya to ile wa rie egbe sasa no bije me iyan wa mi egboku ya ari mi egboku ise ti ka we iye no bi me ma ni gbo ba en egbe iye sesi no adege to pan me kwa ro mo bo igara da agbonde na ni wa na da age me ni wa na bi da ka we mi ni uma ema waya to wabokia egbiye me ya fefe kin wase kin warame kin ori ragmon ro fefe kinegi wi ragmon no ne ragmon ro ewin waye ewowo vekere waje agmaria bi uwa le egbiye me nire egbiye me kin wase kin warame waya lamogun ni medien ya no ro waya bowie me no ti wa obi wa no wari oboyo me kin wa egun me dewe petunwe wa ejo pe amu me gboto no wa ejo ko mu gboto iya we gbije ga mujana ma debuwe iya we gbera mujana ma debuwe imare ni do mo piharia ni do mo koria zevi one day una game ewi ado ejina igbe wi suwon agbon ati ami na agbon hin ata okiki agbon ga bere mata no ro mo new generation prophet atiti e na ti prophet we do ona owenvo at a prophet, but in no zebuna in when na ye buta oriri ebuna keri na adisivi manivia do aba ye buta oriri a prophet atiti the new generation waya bokian waya to okay no kind women or video ni me no de no so but no de no kind women St. David College Evilika no kind memo bodo gwari obagwi me mege ni ado ya gwari obagwi o kalotu no wiyan a chairman oge woni no kien no to ya del borrow pit no kien no to ya de tipa obege school no re woni amegbe e mono wan we akin no to e man we kien no to na e school ni evie ni kien do yo we ma set we zinc e shadow pa wonu we zinc na be we e chairman o we ki asoko de governor e go no we kien e idenu e ba denu idenu so nikpe e video ni mie we no there ni mie nikpe ni wa ewiedo wa adam yo wa ka bogbe okoto Oba cannot send these people. Oba don't stop all these people to do so. These people, for them to carry over most of the communities, going to seize, wheelbarrow, mola, this thing. Oba don't send it. They just fall about lane. Let me just call police from FCK. Take go there. So, the police come as them. If you do what damn you, what damn you, and you can't with team in it. As I see police, see with the next thing, they start to follow with the fight. Wagai, why am I cut to Subu? What here? Cut to Subu at here. Okwenike Baba. I will. Ukwe Vone. Then I back run and call. When I back and call. When I back Zobo. In your boom, oh, Kiri no, Edok by Yakulia Yakoa. Kiri Afequa Hulian. E no iso igbena ona ikotisugbo wa na miewe moto ana ona miwe eriyan ka bi akonwe ologbo bedero kotisugbo na ona we rinu loto ona ri lukun ona wuyan ma se kotisugbo na owo pe apawe do sola diania owuyan aye ni erima oboredo owuyan ya mu eniyan ri agbe iranoko bi awo Igbo iran izobu gbada igbo wi awu. Yen na afia bi mama se ebo no ma giyan ni da ati yen na da ati yen na mo edogbo to. So in me 2 weeks ago, abi 3 weeks ago, okuyara ni suwe ni yen na. Wa ye ni yen wo ohun dana. Wa ye ni yen wo kotisigbo. In me 2 weeks ago. Winya we mala agbogun we agbina we egwa. Okay, pa mo din. Ona sono me owo ko pe ala kedogun an. Owo yan ga efiyan la wegwa ba ni iyan je panyanyan, iyan ju gbe menyanyan. Kenu we baba yo kere, kenu we baba ye wegwa ni wa yan wegwa ni polo, kenu we baba ya yo ke polo. Awe kotisigbo na ga efiyan la wegwa. Iyan ye ekoboko menyan ni san iyan igbiyan aboke wu. Kotisugbo aweta mwewo aweta dole bo se na pa wore ikejo bege ewu dano se we wo ikejo bege ewe omono ma one wo ma hu uda si no boku te deme de ne gbowo oba no me to an won ko me ime ko na ari awi oku adaga owi oku na ono mwewo ri ya e na ri da akun no owi oku kotisugbo un dano se variana ogbo ta ya gi owera me mawe ni agwale ra me gbo wa so wera me do mi era me wa wo gbari e ba te mo pa ni ka pe video we kian na ilaja no ene
and others of the Agulu boys they are more than 50 to 20
ka so nu kwa ne ka won me ne
it's research of my pocket more than 25,000 naira wey dey my pocket we don't know who take am among all of them now because when they beat me we don't know where me dey again they discharge my pocket my wristwatch they take everything my necklace.
My country people when I speak in broken English because the video when it come my table na broken English they talk am I don't take Benin attending my people my papa family my mama family Edo I don't take Edo attend them the video you know say our Benin now they no dey speak Benin again. Ishao, Ekwale, Agbo, they not speak Benin again. Language where they go borrow will not be their papa own. Even the street where they street now for inside Benin. Now you both they take again name. Picking where they born now you both they give the name. No one they do Benin again. If you know here go say miracle. If you know here go say I don't fit talk. Why not talk? Why not? I beg.
I don't get it.
The question when I want to ask this boy, when I want to ask this one, when I want to ask this boy, so this one not be plank, you can't tell us, so not be say tomorrow you can't come and say na plank. Plank now, so bebo something I did they buy am, or bebo something I did they buy plank. Not be say you can't come and tomorrow you say this one a plank. I don't want you say this one a plank. I just start to talk put. You know say I not quit talk put for this matter since then. Not be say tomorrow you can't come and you say na plank. Ogbebo something I did they buy plank. I don't know the day we plank. On social media where they go say plank. So I should say this one not be plank. So talk to us.
My God necklace, the ticker.
I beg me una the press I like your team. Now not say if I do this kind of video, una the press I like your team. I go to see and where I told them talk to them where.
House, dear, yes sir. Elders say Oba want my mouth. They want give me for police when they protect Benin people. They say they want kill me. That's it. Don't go there. I don't go there. I lie you. They come there. They come carry me come out. They say when DSS when they arrest me. DSS they don't fear arrest me again. Say because if beat they don't beat me so. Maybe they go die for road for your hand. They say they will arrest me. That I will know because people come again. They carry me go the CSO Oba office. Where the CSO for Oba Palace. They carry me go your office. Get into that place. I test the CSO say, no, you and Fakirabona, Mr. Charles, all of them come soon. I showed up bad lad. Why did it happen? Don't be able to have them. I will not because they don't come again. Carry me force me out of the man office to put on the field. That's also they beat me. See my hand. Now compare to this one. See my face. Because to support, I will not blow this my eyes so. See my mouth. Because to support not blow me.
Kotusugbo, when I dey grow they come, when I dey grow dey come Kotisugbo, if they say na Oba land, na it be this one. So family you no sell am, you fit build house for there, till live the rest of your life. When I dey grow dey come, e dey for our village. Oba land dey for our village. You fit build house for there, till live the rest of your life. So family you no sell the land. If Baba Siko say na house you build put. If Baba come say na house you build put, so family you no sell the land, na so it dey right from time. But now I know say Kotisugbo, you the Ologbo come that day, Ologbo, you say na Oba land, you fight. Now luck you get it, they not kill your enemy for there. This one another land again now. I dey tell una way dey for up, we supposed to straighten us. Now they commit abomination for the community where the community no good. Una go say na we dey for social media, na they commit am. Kotisugbo, e don take wey your own, where they do all those things where people no know. I just say when I can't drop this message for you this morning, may reach where you did. If I can't come out for you, I see on that day we Malogbogu go palace. You dey talk say na Malogbogu dey commit abomination for the Benin land. Whereas wetin Malogbogu dey do because it dey leak una secret. It dey leak una secret, make the world for know una. You talk say na Malogbogu dey do bad thing. Because Malogbogu dey monitor all of una. Anywhere I want to do any, I go carry camera face una, you go prove una. Now that one I be good picking. Now I be good picking. You that day you come out for social media, say Malogbogu, now so you come palace, you get right to drive for palace. You get right to do anything because you don't want me to carry camera, they face you, may they prove your news, they come out. See this one, we can't come out. Now Kotisugbo says, where this man come out? 63 days, I dey expect say you come out. You can't say na lie, not be lie, but you run come out. When Malogbogu go palace that day, you run come out. You call the, I know say Naija was na thief. I know say that one I be the worst Ogunyoba Naija was. I know say na that one I be the evil way dey for Benin land. We come from Benin with generator. See Papa be the kind character way Naija was Papa behave. Now Naija was they behave today, I know. But you come out, come to talk to Naija was that they say, because why publish the video? Why publish the video? Say na bad picking. We know say Naija was na bad picking. Na evil picking. But since this one, where this one happen now, Naija was over here digging why they call it Papa, why they call it Naija. No more for they know the person when they talk. Na evil. Naija was na evil. The worst evil when I don't see. I go start to. I tell and say na next year I go open a page. This year I don't want to open a page again next year. But before next year I go the throw part the book. May they know say I the monitor am. So Kotisugbo, what I come for you this morning? If they not tell person where the spoil community say the spoil community, they know the change. We thank God say this social media Zugabet can't come out today. This Zugabet will come out today. It they correct our people. It they correct we. We will see they do the media. It see they correct us. We they learn for our mistake. Now say they correct individual way they for streets. If you not say what they do not good. But this social media, they tell individual for today, say, this social media, they correct everybody for life, we don't know. If the people who go to say, na lie. This social media, people, they avoid them. Because if your name don't come, it don't spread, patata. So, Kotisugbo, I never see you when you come and come defend this video 63 days old. I'll still give you from now till Friday before I start to bath you. Imi akpe gogo jugo un ya me gogo la deni akpe you un Kotisugbo un down un want to sukun. You use our father name. You people are spelling our father name. Where we was trying, where the young ones first come out, can't talk to una. Una go plan cook. Una go carry juju, una go the course. Now people don't they see am. Our papa no they know what they happen. You know they know. But una go to give our papa bad name. Una go to spoil his name. Una go to spoil his name. The one way fair happen the first time. That's why they tell una. Apart from that boy waiting for Germany, that's Atakalo, then I be evil picking. Waiting make it that evil picking go like that and Ajekpako, now I push that small boy to the extent when he did today. That's why I tell you, I say Ajekpako na evil. We no know. Now I push that small boy to the extent we did today. But if the when they come, all wetin they talk, if you example am, na be wetin dey happen today. Ranoko they don't drive am for palace. Abi una no hear am. Izobo, all those people wey dey spoil our papa name, we una no know. Kotusugbo, e don tey we dey claim to be royal family. The royal family where you be, na disgrace you dey give the royal family. Disgrace now you dey give the royal family Kotusugbo. Listen to this video. I want to play the video from the beginning to the end. I will not talk again Kotusugbo, but I'm coming for you.
Kotusugbo, I already reported this matter. And they are going to tell me say that they don't carry up more to come inside push to resist people something. I said, Papa cannot send these people. Papa don't stop all these things for the two. So these people, for them to carry up more to the community going to seize, wheelbarrow, mola, this thing. Papa don't send it. They just phone up our name. Let me just call police from SCG. They go there. Make police come ask them. Why? As I see police, see me the next thing, they start to follow me the fight. But come me, push me enter about palace motor. Force me enter, start to follow me, you come down, they massacre me, beat me, carry me go palace. I will. Because get to palace, I will because they start to release blow with the GK and others of the Angulo boys. They are more than 50 to 20. They start to beat me. They search all my pockets. More than 25,000 naira waiting, but we don't know who take her among all of them because when they beat me, we don't know where.
My country people, now hear wetin this man they talk. I don't know his name, he not mention his name. He say that they carry our palace motto. Why they explain it for now? He said that they carry our palace motto. They'll come carry and come sites. Come they seize people wheelbarrow. They seize them joko. They seize the asphalt of beans where they cook beans and yam where they cook where they want eat where they walk they go. He say Kotusugbo packing yam packing basic. Tiffy, Janko Rico, how are you? Kotusugbo, here we a basic good move beside. Oh, Zalo, here what about your sati? Who ya ye baba fake basic near Leoto, the by in ya would do have your Kotusugbo, oh your boy. So my brothers and my sisters they talk and they go. As this man cry come out so he say we in the area waiting for in the BS or in other BS he no explain where he say the area he say they go carry our palace motto. Una no say what those small pikin for social media they throw man go they give our papa no they know wetin dey happen now wetin them Kotusugbo they do then Iranohoy them Izobo now make all those small pikin come go they throw man go give our papa. Since our papa start to monitor them, we can't monitor them as the science is there where our papa they drive they come out for palace. All those evil people, papa they drive they come out. This man can't cry, come out now. This man cry, come out. What he can't tell us? He said the land for a community. He said they go carry Obama to come. They go enter the community. They come seize wheelbarrow, waiting they walk. Yes, as fast as the beans where they put for fire. Kotusugbo. Hungry man carry the beans with him, he carry and go house. Now he can't call police. I seen call police. They see police, they come they beat and they come push and enter Obama. They come push and they take our papa they know the time where they go all those missions, all those people. They be evil for the community, they destroy the evil. As they come carry and reach palace, they come they beat and. If you say Kotusugbo, if you say na Baba land, now they for the work. As you carry this man reach palace, you present her to Baba. Baba see person who will cash for your land. Say they work for your land. You not present her. Una go they oppress all those people. Make the Baba they not go see. Una go they oppress them. He don't cry come out now. 63 days. Now this boy cry come out. Where Managbogu come video that day when he come video palace when he come video now for palace that day. Una come fight her. Una fight am because una no say Malagbogun. I dey tell people Malagbogun if Malagbogun na thief, say the thief. I don't know. But since when I start to monitor Malagbogun, now wetin no good for inside Benin, now they present to us. People wey they do bad for inside Benin, Malagbogun they present to us. It not be like that one where it dey for Amagba where the thief total thief. It not be like that one. About Obaze, it not be like that one. Now, waiting not good. As our community will take good. If una say Amala Agbogbo not be Benin, he try pass Benin people. Wetin Amala Agbogbo they do, he try pass Benin people. If you feel they bring all those kind of things, where the community take the dirty, you don't want to make the community dirty, I believe say na Benin man. So, as this man come, they talk, they go, why they explain for now. This man say they come beat am. His money waiting for a pocket. Tiffy, Janko Rico, how are you? Hey. Tiffy, Janko Rico, how are you? Shit. He say, Kotisigbo 25,000 waiting for a pocket. Kotisigbo Tiffan. 25,000 waiting for a pocket. Kotisigbo Tiffan. As Kotisigbo Tiffan, he see thief the young where they put for fire for the site. He see Tiffan joiner. Now I say one quick tell now. Me they wait for Kotisigbo 63 days. Whether I go come and come talk, so whether this boy and lie they talk and not see Kotisigbo, I beg my people wanna listen to this video finish. If you don't listen finish, before I will get what I will talk.
They discharge my pockets. My wristwatch. They take everything. My necklace, they cut up. I don't get necklace, my gold necklace. They take out. I have to run down. When I say they beat, I have to run down to close to the upper house. There, where some elders say, upper wall, take my mouth, upper wall, take my mouth. They want to kill me. For police when they protect Benin people, they say they want to kill me. That's it, don't go there. I don't go there and lie you. They come there, they come carry me come out.
Make una the press I like your thing. Make una the press I like your thing. Make una the press I like your thing. Una like it thing. Una no want una country better. Una no want where those state wanna for come for better. Make una the press I like your thing. Make una the press una good money. God go bless all of una. Make una the press I like your thing. Make una the press now. Wait till I need this money. I be that. I like your thing. If you see Vera the video, make you help me Vera and may reach Vera hand. I beg if you never subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show for YouTube, where they call YouTube. For my papa side na Iwotubu. No, my mama side na Iwotubu. My papa side na Tubu. I beg me go subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. And from next year, who girl I go see you? And from next year, who girl I go see? Now the time when I dey wait for it, don't they reach? I beg me could share the video, make it Vera. If my papa na talk and say person don't go school, he go get one thing when he go home for and where people take know him. So the time don't they reach, make una share the video, make it go Vera. The people when he laugh me, all of them when he laugh me, time go reach, they go they regret. Now my friend before, what is your now your make in winning call you know? What is your now your in winning call you know? Share the video, let the video go Vera. I beg if you no want to follow my page now best of new generation. I see get am for other one new generation talk show. I beg make una press the notification bell. Make una dey follow me oh. As me dey follow una, na so una go dey follow me. Make una dey press the like your thing, make the video dey go viral. You know say na wetin no good for community, na me new generation na dey against. They say odolewo na be oba pikin. Odolewo oh si oba. Eyan wa gbo odolewo, I'm odolewo. So my people, make una share this video, make go viral, make man and woman see am. Now maybe that one pikin wey no dey find trouble. Wey because of the truth when they talk, every enemy go dey find where one enter a body. Everywhere they go the enemy go dey find where they want for. You know say one bed dey for our place. Na aleve. Udeme aleve dey but ewu. So my brothers and my sisters, make una share the video, make they go. Make una go bring Kotisugbo wayamwere ewia. No mind egbe na weri abukmo. Utogugbe na ba wero ya family okere. Uwuro ya. You are enemy. You say you are an enemy to our papa. Now you go the thief 25,000 for person pocket. We are not ashamed of yourself. We Kotisugbo. You would do 25,000. They say you see thief yam for sight. Yam where they cook for sight. As you go see wheelbarrow, you thief yam. Move the list they go.
The same DSS when they make arrest me. DSS say no fear arrest me again. Say because he beat me, they don't beat me so. Maybe not go die for road for a hand. He say no go arrest me. Then Abulo Kotisugbo come again. They carry me go CSO, Oba office, will be CSO for Oba Palestine, the Caribbean office. Get into that place, not test the CSO say, no, you and Frank Grabo and Mr. Charles, all of them come with you. I'm sure Oba land.
You see, the Arabo, you see they go inside the matter. This Arabo see they go inside the matter. Because all of them are clique where they take the thief beneath people. Where they take our papa's name they take they offload other people. So my country people. I say once again one day when I look whether I go come defend this video. Me with this boy can't defend this video. Whether I lie, whether I plank. You know say anything where they happen now. I never know the day Ogbepo saw me now they see plank. All the old saw me where they for Benin they see plank. I don't know what the plank can do for social media. Anything where they do now, they'll call your social media say na plank. Now some me no say they see plank, but the one where they do now they say na plank. And okay, wow. At the end, now the truth go so come review. They say na plank, a plank, you know. A plank I block a window na wana my pack la ya plank block a plank yan me make ne boni ke vere
So they don't come again. Can they force me out of the man office? Took me to the field. That's also they beat me. See my hand. Now God, let's do this one. See my face. Kotusumbo. I will not blow this my eyes so. See my mouth. Kotusumbo not blow me. Kotusumbo I already reported this matter to AIG.
So Kotisugbo, you know what this man talk? He can't explain to us. Whether na plank, now he want to talk tomorrow. I don't know whether na plank he want to talk. Because me they expect you come as 3 days now can't defend this video. But where Malagbo go this thing that day, come video you. Malagbo do they monitor your right from time. He do they monitor you all what you they do. Malagbo go come that day you start to fight him for inside palace you they fight. And I know that day, he carried them and do boys. They start to fight for inside palace. Now you go carry person for a house. All the name saying you want you use you call the fight. They beat them. Now me I say I can't tell you now. Say if you never hear this video, you never hear say maybe if I do one now, maybe before evening, it go reach where you day. I know say this video must reach where you day before evening. I know. Because as I do now, people from Benin, they watch me. I don't want to measure their name. I don't say go reach where you did. I want me to come defend this video. If you not come defend them from now to 3 days, you go. I not beside they say I want to do anything, but you go to see the insult way you come to knock for your head every day by day. Because people will not make Benin good, where they spoil Benin name. Iyan gafian wo, ta. Egbagbon degbe okiyan. Iyan gari ame yere na ya le bai okay mi ame yin ko iyan gari nyano ko tornado iyan na ri kone wo tornado iyan na ri guane wo tornado o kana ri fian wo tornado edinari ko tornado ne iyan na ri okay mi ame yin ko ri okay aje ni an we ri okay aje ni awota. People wey dey spoil Benin land, wey dey bring disgrace to our father. Not be our father now they bring disgrace. No, self now they bring disgrace to. Una see the way that they drive all of una come out now. Una don't deceive our people. Una don't punish our people for years. So many of our children don't die because of land property for inside Benin. Una don't frustrate many of our daughters, our sons for Europe, for Nigeria. We go buy land for una hand. Una go sell land for other person. Una don't do one, don't take one they do. Una see the disgrace where they come to una now. Una see the disgrace where they come to una now. Now, Kotisugbo, I tell they say, may all Benin people, may they relax. All of una, where they do all those bad, all of una must go in bondage. A bondage in Atia be bondage in mine in Atia bondage. All of una must go to Ezad. Because una not be better picking, not be evil picking, where they spoil the community. Kotisugbo, I see give, I know you know since yesterday 4 days are not tough for the matter. I don't look and say you not come and can't defend us. You can't defend when you can't talk to Niger World that day. We know say Niger World not bad head. We know. Eddie King, we know say na thief. We know say na evil picking. But you come and say Mala Agbogun, say na bad pikin, say they like to destroy Benin. Mala Agbogun, they try. As Benin want to good. The evil people, Mala Agbogun, they bring their commands. And they tell the whole those today, the whole world, and they tell them, people, because una no say this social media, Mala Agbogun na social media man. Anything una they do, now they want me they did there again because it go prove una nyash. So to na come say na Shekiri for come. So when they call wa ye ni wo oriya dana. Wa ye ni wo, wa ye ni wo. Ni de ni mo yo, e adam ni ma. Kotisugbo. Kotisugbo. Agbawe ene han. Agbawe ene. You know be say na so land. You say you from royal family. So land now you go so land now you dey fight the put. So land. Ologbo come that day. I see your character way to behave. I tell people say this man a 419. They say no, say na royal family for come. He relate to Oba, Now I say this one way relate to Oba, now they spoil the community. Say if una no know. You see, and they mention your name join Ranoko just now. They mention your name join Ranoko just now. Be no year called Sisugbo. So my brothers and my sisters, na short video I can't drop this morning. Not be say I can't find trouble this morning. I can't drop this short video. Make una press I like your tune. I want to send message some people waiting for outside. If una dey talk say that they curse women, but not be you the curse. So if una dey talk say they curse women, not be you the curse. So the women when they find me trouble, now I curse. The women when they talk to me, now I curse. Not be you that they curse. I dey drop my message now. Who me more consign, me consign. Person when he find me trouble, when he come abuse the papa, abuse the mama, now the cause. So this message in no cause. And you, if you say your man dey fast, if time reach, make people not come talk say Atiti, why you do like this, why you not do like this. Mind your business. If person never curse you as a woman, mind your business. So more listen to this message one before I go straight to.
For this kind of power to the come, communities going to seize, wheelbarrow, mola, this thing. Oba don't say that. They just fall apart lane.
Hey, see my mommy, my queen of the house. Actually for you, mommy, God will bless you. Anything where they pour out my mama, it go be better for you. Your days belong. If they see woman where they talk to for the community, that kind of woman, una go need to hold on. Any woman wanna dey for an environment where they talk truth, una go hold on well. Mommy, God bless you this morning. Anything with the poor one, it go be better for you. Man, if you find your downfall, woman, if you find your downfall. Now, so aya, now you go to go the days of your life. Thank you, mommy, for the support we do for me, for the advice we they give me. They say, woman, the advice man. Now your accounting no say, if you they talk to me, they always they take your advice, they do something. God bless you, mommy. When I play the video, when I go not be say I want to take for line. I can't present this video to Kotisugbo. You know, say I tell all of una say Mona be a patient, they go drive all of the finish. Now one where they go, they find person where they want to replace them, where mind clean. Where mind clean. Now one they go they drive them come on, they go they find other person where mind clean, like our arts. We don't replace all those people because they don't know say all those people are evil. They don't feel you drive all of them once, they don't go get people for there again. So that's why I throw that parable. Good morning. That's why I throw the parable. They show Kotisugbo, you are enemy of Benin. You are an evil. They say the site where you go now. They say the yam where they put for site, yam with plus beans. They say you carry them. They say when you even carry this boy, say when you carry at this palace, 25,000 waiting for a pocket, you different.
Make police come ask them. Why? And I see police, see me the next thing, they start to follow me the fight. Boko me push me enter back palace motor. Force me enter, start to follow me, you come down the master me, beat me, carry me go palace. And Willow, get to palace, and Willow because they start to display the GK and others of the Awolo boys. They are more than 50 to 20. They start to beat. It's searched all my pockets. More than 25,000 naira waiting, but we don't know who take her among all of them now because when they beat me, we don't know where they take again.
Na Kotisugbo tika, na Kotisugbo tifan, na thief, na criminal. He don't take when at the Babara. Right from Ologbo time. Right from Ologbo to time. Ologbo. We did the fight for land for Ologbo. Now the Babara. He say he come for royal family. He say he relate to our Oba. Na evil Peking where they destroy. In with the Neranokoi. In with them Izobo. They plenty like that. I don't want to mention their name. Small they go they bring their name. They come out. Now small of them go they go. Before next year December, they'll drive all of them come out, take other people, replace them. Because all those people don't want me Benin good, they give Benin bad name. Like the Kotisugbo, they give Benin bad name. They destroy our father name. Whereas our father know they know what they do for back. Now all those small trees they start, they talk to them. Now the character where all those small trees where they behave, now those small trees they start. Where they go they plan, they go they carry juju where a big mama say they go they carry juju where they go they use koni they swear. Now I tell them that and say, who has him? They don't start to see the now, small. And we tell them and say, now, even they are not there for us, I did for far distance. Now maybe new generation prophet attitude. So, Kotisugbo, your cup don't full, you don't take away the one. I wait you 63 days, whether you can't defend this video, you not come out. But when man, I go where the monitor now for side Benin, where the monitor now, when it come palace that day, you say it spread the image of palace. See now they say you carry person go inside palace, you traditional man. You first fight Malagu for palace. You say you go closer to our royal, our papa. You say you go closer. Why you go to fight people for inside palace? Okay, you go arrest this man for sight. Now your position when you go present that to our papa, say, see what did this man do? Not be to carry and go, you go the beat and the fight and. He don't tell where I know say you be evil, Kotisugbo. You know see you today. What I pray when I pray for secret. Now only today I don't come pray and come out today. Only today I come pray. Any man wait there for Benin land, we don't want me Benin land good. We know the talk truth. Say now why you take the sleep, chop. Disgrace go they follow them. If they plant banga way they plant for that Benin land where they bring all your commands, they chop them. Disgrace go follow them. If they come where they come for that farm, they pluck them, they eat them. Disgrace go they follow them. Plantain where they cut for Benin land, they chop and disgrace go they follow them. That's what it go be for all of you now. We don't want. You know how many of our people don't die because of suffer for river. You know how many of our people. You know how many of our sisters we don't buy land for inside Benin with the Kotisugbo. We don't collect their land. They'll put suffer for their body. Or fear not let all those people go buy land for Benin again. Fear not let them go Benin say they want to go buy land again. They go to fear me they not go seize their land. You know how many. Where people will come out today, they laugh, they say they never feel be house. They never feel be house. Where people will come out, come they laugh, they say they don't do Europe for many years, they not feel be house. Person when you go buy land, 1.something million you collect them for her. Fear go let them go buy again. He go reserve him money, he go say anytime when you go house, he go buy. Not be say go come be. So Kotisugbo, your time have come. Your time have come for me to reply you. 63 days I'll be waiting for you to come and defend this video. You did not come out. At weekend, I will drop your case in weekend. I want to remember you. So people, help me to share this video. Let this video go viral. Let this video go viral. Make una press the like your thing. My mom go the press her. Go the knock her. I like your thing. I like your thing. Brothers and sisters, una good evening. Good evening, you know. Una good morning. Make una help me share this video. Now small you can drop on, now small I drop on. Who the video more concern, it may concern. And when the video go viral, it will know the type of injection that is inside. So if you don't know say uwaya to evina gmama wayagbe, wa yokpa u ori manuwa wa yefa u ori manuwa. Iya wa gbe yan oka, agboka niyan eva ya hun. Ne do ama nuselu ama e ma ya mudi aye. Mana weni mamudi ave yana na ya ge kian mi yaga ma agunwa ewu ya yeke e ma dana ya fe no rewo no jeniri mayari eva no yeri eniri mayawo uko okina wabiyan yawa na wabiyan yawa na mikina me agbon no do atemata no da wemiesi wa begi unyime na winya na nyi o se na we governance na respect o women have governance have senate have manorugbe a palace na no that misbehave na or say na me have governance in respect to one of one but gbege we sene social media na pon me social media na so abo awese we go come bring this social media come out this social media dey make many people dey change the time when me no buy that social media me not good o when I don't call it social media but I'm not the thief person I'm not the thief person the time when I buy that social media but if you want oppress person for my president now blow I dey give you blow now fight me and the fight people know me put you cannot oppress person in my president when I sit down and fold my hand that's why they toss me no good anybody who want oppress property go ask anybody as far to the wife wey born for me no if you want oppress somebody for my president now fight I just start to fight I no get time to dey explain again if we reach anywhere we dey go I go explain myself so as this social media can't come it can't change many of us dey fear for crime we don't want to come out for social media now so my brother we thank Zugabet as a bridge this social media can I dey thank her every day Zugabet we so agbon ama we you know wo we ladian ni maya amuyan fo so my brothers and my sister mommy we kuna no verse I wan go start work later and I will see you ciao